Hey, I'm Logan Faulkner, and today we're going to take a look at the all-new Wood-Mizer LX150 twin rail portable sawmill. Designed for both hobbyists and professional sawyers, the LX150 is a high-performing, versatile sawmill that is packed with features. With standard electric head controls, an optional SimpleSet Setworks, and optional Debarker, the LX150 delivers a fully customizable sawmilling system. The LX150 can saw logs up to 36 inches or 914 millimeters in diameter. And with the 150's throw capacity, you're able to saw wide slabs and boards. The key innovation of the LX series mill is its rigid LX frame. That holds the control panel, engine, and sawhead in a stable structure. Every LX series mill features two parallel hardened steel rods that provide a smooth and stable base for the head to travel on. Wood-Mizer's line of LX sawmills are the only ones in the industry to offer this feature. 16 adjustable feet allow for simple leveling of the bed sections. Rugged, elevated 3/8-inch bed rails make loading logs with a forklift or a tractor easier than ever. Additional bed sections are also available to cut longer logs. 3 solid steel pivoting side supports provide stability when loading, turning, and cutting heavy logs. The logs or boards are held fast against the side supports by 2 adjustable multi-positional clamps. Now that you've seen the basic features of the LX150, let's see how this sawmill runs. With the accurate and easy-to-use powered up-down controls, the saw head height is precisely set for each cut. Optional SimpleSet Setworks allows you to have 2 preset board thicknesses to quickly and accurately control blade height while referencing from the previous cut. The Wood-Mizer LX150 also features a standard electrically driven blade guide arm that's controlled from the operator station. Once your width is set, sawing has never been easier with a manual blade engagement and electric power feed system. On the back side of the saw head, we have the hydraulic tensioning system. This system ensures that the blade stays tensioned properly, resulting in longer blade life and increased cutting performance. Gravity-fed water lubrication is applied directly to the blade to increase cutting performance and keep the blade clean of pitch and sawdust buildup. The optional Debarker on the LX150 removes dirt and debris from the blade path to keep blades sharp longer. Once you've completed your cut, the saw head is then raised and reversed by the powered head controls and then lowered to be positioned for the next cut. The LX150 is not just any other sawmill. Its capacity and options, coupled with Wood-Mizer's quality and customer support, make it a great choice for all your sawmilling needs. So if you're ready to take your business or hobby to the next level, check us out online at woodmizer.com or call your local representative to get started. Thanks for watching.